Hello everyone and welcome back to this new video, and in this video we will go from Manila to Cebu. We will drive on a tuk-tuk in Moalboal. We will walk through the garden and some strange alleys and almost got attacked by a few dogs. Watch the whole video and subscribe. Have fun! We made it through security and luckily they are very friendly here, and because I have a titanium plate in my head, the machine was bleeping and they said, you are cyberark. So I said, yeah, watch out. But they were really friendly here, and now we are waiting to board the plane. It's a beautiful day today. Let's go to the plane. We are one of the first in the plane and this is our seat. For some reason we always sit next to the wing. Babe, your fingers are very orange. That's crazy. We got our bags and now we're going with a taxi to the bus station. First we eat some bread. Over here we see a lot of security. Also in Manila, a lot of security with shotguns.
There are a lot of policemen here in
Yes.
the corner of the road, or also the areas. There are a lot of pickpocketers before. Now they are putting the security in the corner.
Ah, exactly.
For the security of the people.
Yeah, that's good. It's good. Hello.
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 Yeah, and a more formal word is like good afternoon is goedemiddag.
Goedemiddag.
Goedemiddag. Yeah. Yeah. We got this bus for €3. We made it from the bus and now we are at the local tuk-tuk. We arrived at the next hotel. The road to this hotel is a little bit bumpy, but it looks beautiful here. Hopefully someone will help us. I'm not entirely sure what to do because there's nobody here. There's literally no one at the location, no guests, no host, no nothing, but the keys are just in the door. So which room are we gonna pick, Fleur? Are we going for this room or are we going for a room upstairs? This is a little bit weird though. I never experienced this. We got our room and we chilled for a moment and now we are going for a walk, and I'm taking the drone with me for hopefully some beautiful Filipino shots.
Sa paghimukso ko, sa sikihon akong natawhan, akong nasayra.
The entrance is really beautiful. And then you have this road. It's a rough road to get to. And now we're going to the beach and find out where we can snorkel tomorrow, because we want to do the sardine run. I don't think a lot of tourists will come here. What the heck are we arrived in? What did we enter? The route to the beach. Okay.
Right, and then go there, further, just left side.
Thank you. Ja. Hey. Jammer. Some reggae music. Love it. This was an epic side mission. It's not easy to find the beach. We've been walking for like 10 minutes to the other part of the island almost to get to the beach. Ah, this is the place, this is the place. Yeah, here's the beach. A lot of souvenir shops here. And now it was time to have some nice dinner right next to the beach. Chicken adobo for me, a fried rice with shrimps for Fleur. Dinner with a beautiful view. This one's really good.
And the sauce is also really good.
And ice cream for the big boss. The food was really good, and now we're walking back to the hotel. I'm not sure what the route was, but I believe it was this way. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, this is where the reggae music was, I believe. This way. Oh, Nea. We were almost attacked by a few dogs. Meow. This is really a sneaky way. Guys, thank you for watching. I'm going to edit the video right now. I'm going to transfer the files from the GoPro to the laptop. So I will see you guys tomorrow in a new video. Make sure to subscribe. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.